This is the same clip, but CapCut's free AI remix tool changed my shirt color in seconds. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in mobile and desktop. Let's go. All right, so I pulled it up on mobile. Here's the original clip. I was wearing a blue shirt. I changed it to where now I'm wearing red, just using the remix tool. Now, I will say a couple things with the remix tool. The first thing is you get one free use of it, so you can try it out for free. After that, it does require credits. I am an affiliate of CapCut, so if you guys want to check out their free trial and the pro version, go ahead and check the link in the description. Now, the other thing is this. With the AI remix, one thing that it specifies is that the clip has to be under 10 seconds long or else it won't do it. So for this one, it's 21 seconds. If I click on it, it's just going to say clip needs to be less than 10 seconds. So what I'm going to do is just shorten that up. So I'll shorten it to under 10 seconds. All right, now I can use it. So all I'll do is slide back over, AI remix. I'm going to confirm. After I confirm, this is where I can edit it. I can literally put anything I want, and it gives you some examples. Change your hair color to brown, add a rainbow, remove the crowd, whatever. So all I did was type in change my shirt to red, and then I hit generate. Now, depending on the type of service you have or the type of Wi-Fi you're using, it can be faster or slower. It can take up to about 2.5 minutes. Sometimes it takes 50 seconds. It just depends, but relatively it's going to be under 3 minutes to do this clip. Now, once you get the final touch, it's going to look like this. So now it's the same exact video. Everything's the same. Nothing changes with it except my shirt color. And it's crazy as the quality is exactly the same. So when I go here, same exact quality, just the shirt color is the only thing that's changing, which is pretty cool and pretty spot on. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop as well. So on desktop, similar thing, it's just finding it. So here is the before. I was having a black shirt on here, and now I have the red. Only thing I did different here was I clicked on the basic tab on my original clip. So I'm on basic. Then I'm going to scroll down. This is where all your features are. And then this is where you're going to see AI remix. And again, your first one is free. After that, it will cost a credit. So you're going to click that on. And then again, you're going to put your example in, change shirt color to red, and then you're going to generate it, and then you're going to see again it's going to put your time in there. Look, on average about 2.5. Again, depends on how fast your internet is, and then it's going to show up like this. Okay, so pretty cool, pretty easy, super fast to do. Again, only takes a couple minutes. And the only thing to really note about this is it only is 10-second clips at the time of recording this. Hopefully it's going to end up being a little bit better. I think it's still kind of in beta, so I think it's going to take a little bit of time before it gets to where you can do full clips doing this. But the cool thing about it is it doesn't have any effect when I'm moving to where it's off. So it is locked on me, which is really good. So it shows that the AI is doing a good job of that. And I'm sure in the future they are going to be doing longer clips of this as well. But right now it's still early stages. And again, 10 seconds is all you'll get. But you can do so many other things. You could do something with the background. You could change a bunch of different aspects of it. Now, if there is a longer video though that you want to edit and you want to create some clips off of that, I actually shot a video on using the AI Clipper tool, which is 100% free inside of CapCut. You don't need any credits for it, and it will literally take your long form video and cut it up however you want, as far as little clips that are tutorial based, maybe it's story driven, and it will create the best clips possible. So if you guys want to check out that video, go ahead and check it out here, and I'll see you there.